Hey guys, today I'm doing my squishy collection and I got all my squishies out and here's the bins with me in. And I am missing one squishy because the strawberry milk, it's in my classroom and I was playing with it and I forgot to bring it home. It's because it was Friday, but whatever. So I'm going to start off all my Sanrio squishies. So the first one I have here, I'm going to go to newest to oldest. So I have this hamburger.
Join the Everyday Bro movement. $13 tees, $25 sweatshirts. What? If you haven't got
It's
merch, now
really
you shop,
squishy
get it
and
before
so
it sells out.
rising.
Get your tour tickets right now. I want to meet you guys. Oh my gosh. I love y'all. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
And I'm going to see if you guys can hear this freaking air. Like,
Join the most viewed vlog channel on YouTube.
it already looks so possessed when I do that.
Bro, face.
Can you hear that? Piggy! You little butt. I don't even. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. So, yeah, and I love this one's a little dense, but it is very textured. I love it. And I got that one yesterday. Then I got this one last weekend. It's super squishy and sour. Like, so here's the tag. It's just Karopi bread. I love how squishy that is, though. It's $10, which I do think is a little pricey. But I mean, it's okay. Yeah. So I have this squishy, and this was again also $10, and so is this. No, I think it was $12, but whatever. It's actually like here, like look how airy this is. Do you hear that? I have a lot of airy licensed squishies that are still rising, and this one's actually thin and rare, so. Yeah, I love the gold ball chain. It's just so squishy and so rising. So next one I have is this Hello Kitty donut. Rainbow donut. It's rainbow, guys. And rainbow is my favorite color pattern in the whole wide world. Then it is blue and pink. Yeah! I've got issues. Kids don't grow up to be like. Stop it! Stop it! Stop! I'm trying to freaking film a freaking video, and your freaking butt is a freaking. Stop! You little stop!
Hey, don't swear.
Swear I still say a little bit, but whatever. So yeah.
When
Hot
you
squishy?
say I'm not hot, all these lies.
You need to stop. Okay.
Because I'm ice.
So then we have this half chocolate one, and this one was totally ripped off because it was 10 freaking. No, this was like 13, wasn't it? And this is like way overpriced. But yeah, that's squishy. Then I have this squishy. And I'm just kind of not even going to talk about these anymore because I just want to get to this really quickly because I have to talk to my friend and these guys. Yeah, like this squishy. Then I have this one. This is an air cake. Blue air cake that I'm trading with my friend. Keeper defected. Unicorn. This thing, coffee. Repro of the Eye Bloom Peach. Punimaru Poo. Eye Bloom Strawberry. This cake. Defected hamburger. Rare dragon fruit. Smushy mushy thing. This squishy. And this squishy. And this squishy, finally. So are all my squishies. I do have a strawberry milk squishy in my classroom because I was playing with it and I forgot to go get it because it was Friday. But yeah, so that is all for my squishy collection. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, and I'm just gonna like show you guys my squishy bin.
Is that your strawberry milk?
Yeah, I forgot it at my classroom. And I'm hoping I don't get in trouble with that because I don't think we're allowed to have that. Nar nar nar, neener nar, na na nar, neener nar, na na nar. Oh my god, these are. I'm gonna have to get
I'm
another
gonna be making
squishy.
Surya's intro sometime today, so watch out for that.
So that was all for my squishy collection. Love you guys. Thanks.